All right, so Lawson stats, for instance, just to kind of show you how big that this is. Again, I told you Lawson is the third largest ERP in the world. It's bigger than Baan. It's bigger than Peoplesoft. Um, it's it's bigger than some of the run-of-the-mill ones that are out there. And although Lawson is kind of a small out of the box install, but you can bolt on so much to make it look really big, like SAP or Oracle, which are the two bigger ones. But if you guys ever ran QuickBooks, Lawson is kind of like QuickBooks on steroids. So you can kind of see the size. You've got QuickBooks, and then there's Lawson that'll come in, and you can have so many bolt-on applications that are on top of that. And this is pretty much what Lawson does. It goes after healthcare. It's got 34% of the market share for healthcare. What makes Lawson sell bigger and better than the other ERPs, including SAP and Oracle Financials, is it was homegrown inside the United States. It was built for the United States customs of business and also for the laws of the land, which the United States currently abides by. If you're in Europe, SAP is probably the bigger one. And then outside, Oracle Financials and Oracle is pretty much all over the globe. But for the most part, Lawson has a strategic advantage because it is pretty much American-bred at this point.